Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to install Turbo C++ in our Windows operating system. So why we are installing Turbo C++? Because there are many students from 12th grade, BSc or BCA, those writes their program in Turbo C++, and the syntax in the Turbo C++ and the syntax in the Visual Studio Code is bit different. To understand the difference, we are installing this application. So let's start. Click on the search bar and search for Turbo C++ download for Windows 11. Turbo C++ official website, click over here. Scroll down. You will see download Turbo C++ for Windows and click on this download button. Download has been started, you can see here, and once complete, click on this button. You can see the setup. So click on this setup for the successful installation. Click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement and install. Say yes. And within a second the installation is completed. So click on the finish button. Once the installation is complete, Turbo C++ launch this page for you. So we can click on Start Turbo C++, click on File and click on New. So here we can write the program hash include iostream.h. Being an older version in the Turbo C++, we need to use the extension .h hash include conio.h header file. Then we can write void main. So this conio.h file is for the getch function, and conio is not a part of standard C++ library. So this is basically used in the older versions of C++ where we use MS-DOS environment. This is the file which we need to include while using in the Turbo C++. In a Visual Studio we don't have to include. So we'll write a simple cout statement, cout hello world. Okay, so this statement basically writes hello world on the screen. Perfect. Now what we'll do, we'll run this program. We have run this program and it has been executed successfully, but we are not able to see the output. As we have discussed, getch function is included in conio.header file, and this getch function basically waits for the key to press. Once we press the key, the output window will get closed. If we will not write getch, then the output window will be invisible in a fraction of seconds, will not come to no even, and will not able to see the output. That is the reason at the end of every program you should write getch. Now we'll run this program and see whether we'll be able to see the output. Yes, you can see hello world. When we press enter key, it will get closed. There is one more function available in conio.header file, that is clrscr. Basically clrscr is used to clear the screen. So always you should write the clrscr statement at the beginning of your program, so the output window will get cleared and the output of your program only will be displayed on the screen. So we use these two functions from conio.header file. Make sure you will write clrscr at the beginning and getch at the end of your program. In the next video, we'll compare the program written in the Visual Studio Code and the program written in the Turbo C++. So please watch the video to get the clear idea about the Turbo C++ and Visual Studio Code. I hope you are clear with the functionality, basically the functionality written in the Turbo C++. And if you have any query, let me know. I will try to help you out. If you like the video, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you.